recipe, you will need half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, juice of half a lemon, 3 tablespoons oil, half a pound of